He left, went outside on the veranda, came with other 4 men. So when he first switched off the bed light, then tried to walk out of the bedroom and lock it, looking for the best light, but then I realized that was a door here. I don't know if there is even a basement here. So they collected everything: phones, laptops, electricity, chargers, AirPods, anything electrical. They took away our camera system. They went to the ceiling, picked it, broke everything down, left us in the dark.
Okay, on the 15th, when you guys was voted, you've been under house arrest, figuratively, right? And how did they allow you?
The person who brought me just drove to the gate. They opened from outside and said, "What's the problem?" He said, "Have a sick person and taking her to the hospital." Then they checked, and then they opened. I think they realized already, they had known that there was an ambush, and they raided the house.
So they're still in your place right now?
They're still home. They're still there.
Maybe finally for me, did you like?
I can't tell the people in the compound, but the Lord met this group when they were in, because he was coming home, and he met them. He can give you a good number, but the Askari who saw them coming and said they were in hundreds. They were very many. Every corner had a soldier in it, armed to the teeth.
Putting on Ugandan military uniform or?
Some were in uniform, some were not in uniform. These people were drunk, and they were very provocative. One of them asked me how I could end up marrying a traitor of Emiranga as if I never saw Emiranga marry. General was he has given my husband an ultimatum of 48 hours, sometime 2 days ago, 3 days ago now. Okay, it's past 3 days now. And he told him to come out of the latrine if that's what he was having. Then he said, "I am looking for you, and when I find you, I'll treat you the way they treat rebels with outlaws, yes, outlaws." So, if someone threatens you to that extent, and they are in an office of power, and they're in control of the army and all the army outfit, how could you say they're not down with those people?
How are you and your family?
I am home with 2 other people. So the children are not home. My husband is not home. They are seeing all this online. Each one of them handles the situation differently, just like each one of you here handles situations differently. We are trying to manage. Relatives, friends are trying to manage the children. What was that?
What message do you have for?
Easy should just do his thing. You shouldn't worry about me. As soon as the doctor says I'm good to go, I'm going back to our home. Relax. I am going to be fine. I shouldn't be the reason you leave. You're hiding. You should come at your own timing and when you feel safe. Otherwise, I'm okay.
Doctor's report?
They gave me anxiety relief medication. They checked my pressure, they said it was a bit high. And they gave me some painkillers and some medication for my broken leg and for the bruises that I have. So far, that's what they're managing. We will see at the end of the day what they have to say.
Open so that people get to go. Yeah. Mother is ready.
Yes.
You will go for 1 second.
It's finished.
Ekigenda amaaso mwenna mukiraba obulumbaganyi amagye bwe gakoze ewaka wa pulezidenti waffe n'effujjo lyonna lye bakozeeyo tulivumirira
naye tetukoma kulivumirira wabula okusaba nti ffenna tuveeyo tulwanirire eggwanga lyaffe tubeere nga tusobola okuvunika eno embeera eriwo kati ku ssaawa zino. Museveni agamba yawangula akalulu era neyeewa ne 71%. Kakati bw'oba ogamba nti waganja ennyo abantu ne bakuwagira, lwaki okola bino ebintu ebyokuwamba abantu baffe, okusiba abantu baffe awatali musango, okukijjanya abantu baffe buli kiseera, buli lunaku kati tuzi okukanga waliwo gwe bakutte, waliwo gwe basibye, waliwo gwe bakoze eki, effujjo lyonna muliraba. Of course bonna babikola kubanga balwana n'ekigambo kye bayita legitimacy mu Luzungu. Bakimanyi nti bannayuganda tebaabalonda, kyova olaba bakola bino byonna. Kati bakitandise military operation, mulabye olunaku lwa gye badde ku tale centers ez'enjawulo nga balangirira abantu ba NRM, abantu baffe bawangudde n'ebirala byonna. So tujja kukola kitwetaaga kukola mu mateeka, okugenda mu kkooti n'ebirala, naye ate ffenna tukimanyi kati nti ekyo si ekisinga obukulu. Ekisinga obukulu kwe kwerwanawo ne twetaasa mu mbeera eno gye tulimu. But we are under attack as the National Unity Platform. You know, many of our leaders are being raided, arrested. We cannot tell who's going to be next. These things are going on everywhere. You wake up and you hear now someone has been raided, our comrades are being abducted day and night. So it's a very, very tough time in the National Unity Platform, but as I say, tough people outlast tough times. So we're trying to remain strong, to continue doing what we have to do. It's a shame that after Museveni rigged the election and declared himself winner, now these are the things he's doing. If you say you got 71%, as he's saying, why are you scared of someone who you claim got 21%? Of course, he knows that he's not legitimate. He's fighting with that question of legitimacy. Because if you know that you're popular, as he wants everyone to believe, why are you going after people, abducting them, arresting them, and doing all sorts of crazy things? So yeah, and as a party, of course, we are looking at different actions, including legal actions and all that. But people need to know that those things in the context of Uganda do not really carry so much weight. All of you saw what happened yesterday when at Tale centers, the military took over elections and they were just declaring candidates of NRM with reckless abandon. Our candidate in Wakiso had over 30,000 votes ahead of the NRM candidate. These guys declared the NRM candidate. In Mukono, they declared our candidate winner. After the NRM and military people complained, an hour or two later, they announced the NRM candidate as winner. And that happened in many other places, councillor races and all that. So I think what the people of Uganda need to do is to realize that we are on our own, and our message has been, we must come out and reclaim our country before it is too late.